Sir, 1 week
Today is
back,
1 week back. Acha, acha, acha. Have you attended any?
recently I joined.
Did you attend any
No, sir.
classes?
No,
No.
sir, I didn't.
Why? Because you are studying for some other exams and all. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. No problem. Yeah.
Sir, but I seen your material, sir. Those
Materials,
PDF.
PDF and video.
I referred those PDF.
Very good. Yeah. Uh, Good morning. Please
Good
tell
morning,
me
sir.
about yourself, Karthik.
Yeah, sir. Sir, myself Karthik A. I am from Hassan, Karnataka, and I completed my graduation in civil engineering from MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, and I did my pre-university in Alvas PU College, Mangaluru. And I did my schooling in my hometown, Karnataka, Hassan district only. And coming to my family, there are 4 members in my family, including me. First of all, my respected father is a contractor doing business, and my lovely mother is a housewife.
Mm,
And my
mm,
little sister, she's completed engineering, and
mm,
she's working in IT company.
Good. Very good.
Then my yeah,
Then when did you complete your degree? What is the degree you completed? Sorry.
civil engineering, sir. Engineering.
Oh, great, great, great.
Yeah,
Civil
in
engineering.
2021 passed out.
2021. Good, good.
21.
Yeah. Was there any campus recruitment in your college?
Yes, sir. I got selected for Suvilas Properties and Private Limited.
Uh, you worked
Yeah.
there? You are working there.
I worked for 6 months and I
Uh,
quit. I didn't get any time to prepare for banking exams, so that I decided to quit the job and start studying.
Very good. What are the other bank exams did you write?
I wrote two insurance exams and one the RBI assistant, sir.
Mhm. Good.
Only 3 exams.
Did you not appear for IBPS specialist officer post?
No, sir.
Yeah. Why? You know, that is also coming now. Every year they announce. This year
So
also, I think it will.
now I applied for IBPS PO, sir.
Very
It's the
good.
exam is there in October.
Very good. That's right. Now, you are a civil engineer. How do you think you will fit into our bank's job?
Sir, as I'm a civil engineer, I go through so much of presentations. The presentation skills helps me a lot in banking sector, like to tell the customers any banking schemes. First of all, this one. Then uh, my presentation skill is very good. Mm,
You can
yeah.
also add some more points, like say, while studying in engineering, I have also learned about analytical skills and also
Like the,
group
uh,
behavior, like participating in groups and taking leadership styles. Okay.
then
And
I'm the coordinator of NSS, sir, National Service Scheme,
oh,
and I was able to lead the team. In my team, there are 5 members. I was able to guide them to participate in any fest in college. Yeah, sir.
very good, very good. But
These things
now
help me a lot to look
I
in
think
bank.
I must have asked you in the class itself. Your father is a contractor, means why you did not take up that profession only? Because it is
Yeah,
easy to continue in that. No? Your
yes, sir.
father
But
is a contractor, but
yeah, yeah.
what is wrong in continuing that? Is he not getting contract regularly for working all through the year? Is he getting or not?
Sir, my father is a private contractor, sir, not government. He's doing a private works.
He is doing private works. I know.
Private work. But getting a private work is very tough,
Not.
sir. Like very competition is there.
Acha, acha. That is why
To get
you
work, we need a political support, sir.
don't tell
Yeah.
this. Do not tell this in the interview.
Okay,
Unnecessarily,
okay, sir.
you will land into other questions. Right?
Okay,
Don't
okay,
tell
okay.
about political support. Otherwise, you say simply it is difficult to get
To
a
get
regular jobs in this area. So I thought it is better to work in a bank where the job is prestigious one, plus It is also giving good job satisfaction and there are good career prospects.
Okay, sir.
So these are the points you have to add and then tell. Good. No, you said your father is a contractor. Your sister is working in a software.
Yes, sir. Software IT company. She passed
Oh,
out in 2022.
just now and she got job immediately. Acha. Oh,
Yeah.
but there was no such. Acha, you told you had campus. You worked for some time. That's
Yeah,
really
yeah, sir.
that's really fine. Are you not trying for civil services or public state public services?
No, sir. I'm only focusing on banking exams.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Can you please tell me how banks earn profit?
Sir, bank earn profit by converting their liabilities into assets. At the margin, they earn a profit. Liabilities are banks accepting deposits from the public. It's called liabilities. Assets are the bank giving loans to the customers. It's called assets. Uh, Banks accept deposits, accept liabilities by lower rate of interest, like 3 to 4%, and they're giving the loans to customer by high rate of interest, like 7 to 8%. At the margin, they earn a profit. Like
Good.
then other way, they earn profit by ATM fees, taking ATM fees, and locker charges, SMS charges, fees. That's it, sir.
Then you can also tell banks get
Then the
commission from
investment and bank
para-banking services like bank assurance and
bank assurance.
mutual fund charges also.
Yes.
Mutual
Then
fund schemes and they also
investing and
tell me
investing
investing.
and government schemes, they earn profit on this.
They will get commission.
Investing
They
on
will get
stock market,
interest. They will get interest on government securities. Further, they invest in
investment of stock market.
shares also. Good. You
Yeah,
told all the points, but try to present it in a very cogent way so that it comes out well. Yeah, of
like
course
in
you
slow
told
manner.
nice. You told nicely, but then you don't have to take so much pain in telling. Bank tries to make liabilities into assets. Itna jarurat nahi hai. Simply say banks give loans to customers. You don't have to tell from where the money comes and all. Samajh gaya? See, the bank
Okay, sir.
is trying to make
Understood.
profit only out of these three. You told them very correctly. I'm very happy. Good.
Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me what is the job role of a clerk in a bank?
Basic. First of all, clerk should have patience. He should have patience because he have direct contact with the customers and he has well versed with his behavior.
Mm.
Then he has to maintain the customer's responsibilities and customers' requirement,
Mm.
and he needs to he has to work in passing of checks
Mm.
and opening of bank account,
Mm.
giving debit cards,
Mm.
and he has to tell the new schemes of Karnataka Bank in
Mm.
a
Mm.
kind way,
Mm.
and he has to tell the norms of KYCs.
Mm.
This is the most important.
Mm.
Uh,
Good, 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 good.
Giving
Not
a
bad.
paste
Not bad.
withdrawal slip.
Yeah, not bad. You are able to tell that nicely. But you should also tell about the para banking, like bank assurance charges, assurance policies, and also mutual fund products. Same thing. Again, you have to repeat that. And
Okay,
besides
sir.
that, you can also add the clerk should help in recovery of NPA and also
NPR.
in canvassing of deposits, more deposits. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Now, supposing I give you a target, you have to get me 5 savings accounts within fortnight, 15 days. Within 15 days, you must get me 5 savings bank accounts, new savings bank accounts. What strategies will you adopt for getting it?
The first, I will tell the banking facilities what are we are giving to for banking account. Then we are accepting the deposits with high rate of interest. That one I will tell. Then I will tell the banking schemes, new schemes adaptable to bank account.
No, I think you
Then
have not understood my question. My question was, what are the strategies you will adopt to get five new savings accounts within a period of 10 days? What strategies you will adopt? What methodologies you will adopt? Hello,
yes, sir.
tell me, what are the strategies you will adopt? You are telling that you will tell about the schemes to others, etc. Correct. But how will you reach them?
I'll reach them
Uh,
in my neighbors. I tell
Very
them
good.
my neighbors, like
Very good. First is
who
neighbors.
don't
Good.
who don't
First
have a bank
account.
account. I will tell
Mm,
them to open a bank account in our bank
mm,
by telling them the new schemes, the new rate of interest,
mm,
like this. Then I go for my friends
mm. Good.
and
Very good. Next.
this methodology I can adopt,
No, no,
sir. Then
you should tell
I
some
I will
more.
also go to my family
Mm,
members. Right?
very good. Then come on. Some
Then
more strategies. You can also
then
tell I will use my social media contacts.
yeah, social media
Through,
contacts.
and through that also, I will try to get new parties for our bank.
By this, I surely get 5 accounts.
And also, I will try to canvass for door to door near the branch, door to door canvassing. Also, I will do, and I will go through the same contacts I am getting at the branch also. Through the existing customers, I will try to canvas and get new contacts.
As my father is a contractor, I also go to laborers to ask them.
So likewise, you should tell that by
Strict,
by feeling for it, and then tell as if you are going to really get it done immediately. Understand?
yeah, yes, sir.
Very good. You told that's okay, but then the emotions were not there. That telling how much keen are you in getting it, that has to be exhibited. Do you have sales qualities in your mind? Are you really willing to do sales?
Sales, yes, sir.
Sales means canvassing for new savings account, canvassing for new SB account, fixed deposit account, new insurance policies, etc., etc. Do you have that desire to do that?
No, sir, I'm not interested in sales department.
You should not say like this. You should say, yes, sir. Abhi, now you tell me I will go out and start canvassing. You have to tell, they will not tell you to go out all the 6 hours, 10 hours a day. You will work in the office. At that time, any project comes, any scheme comes, they will ask you to come along with them. You will go. And sometimes in some banks, they give targets. Please get some 5 account. Why don't you tell your known people? So like that, they will tell. And you must enjoy doing that. You cannot say, I am not enjoying doing sales. Then there is no job for you. No
Okay,
job.
sir.
There is
I
no
won't
job.
do this.
And especially officers' job. It requires more of talking, convincing others. But here it is a clerk. Even then, you are supposed to do that. Nowadays, almost all banks are setting targets for people. And if they give you 5 accounts, at least 2-3 accounts you must get. If you don't get anything, they will certainly scold you. They will not send you out, but they will scold you.
Yes, sir.
So that you must remember, and then take sales as one of the jobs that you have to do. Nowadays, it is a must. See, if you go to an engineering college as a lecturer, the college is telling, come on, get some 5 new students. Everywhere, that is the order of the day. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So you must enjoy sales. If you don't enjoy sales or clerk job in, say, public sector bank, may be okay. There it may not be very much canvassing like this. But in private sector banks, it is a must. You have to do canvassing, but not very strict. At least when they call and tell you what is your name, Karthik? What Karthik? What is it you have been doing throughout last week? You have not got even one account for us. What are you doing after finishing office job? You're going and sleeping in the house. So like that, they will shout at you and you must face it carefully. I know you are not used to getting scolding and all, but practice getting scolding right from now onwards. Any place you go, if you are not doing certain things demanded of you, you will be scolded in the sense, you will not scolded in the sense, it is not they won't say you are useless, you are good for nothing and all that they will not say, but they will go on repeatedly asking you why you are not able to get it. See, look, that Prajvalata has got the accounts now. How nicely she has got 5 accounts. She also joined with you. Something like that they will tell. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Good. Who is the Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shaktikant Das.
Is he your uncle?
Sir?
Is he your uncle?
No, sir. Shaktikanta, sir.
Then you should say Mr. Shakti Kanta Das. Mr. Mrs.
Mr. Shaktikant. Okay, sir. Sure,
very, very good. Now, can you name 2 deputy governors of RBI?
Sir, Satish, sir.
Huh?
K. Satish, sir. K. Satish, sir.
No. Nobody by name Satish. Deputy governor.
Yeah, sir. Deputy governor.
You don't know. Mr. M.K. Jain.
Okay.
Then M.D. Patro. Then Rajeshwar Rao. Then Rabi Shankar. T. Rabi Shankar.
Oh.
So you verify the names. Very good. Nice. Now, why should I select Karthik for this job?
Sir, first of all, I'm very honest in work. Then I'm very punctual, and without punctual, the work will delay. I'm on time to the work, and I'm coordinator in NSS. My presentation skills and convincing skill is very good. But
you said you participated in social service, but you are not interested. You are not interested in getting people bank accounts. Just joking, not serious. Okay. Doesn't matter. You get used to such things. You did well, but only in the matter of sales you started blabbering not correctly. So that is the only thing. You should tell that you are willing to take up responsibility.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Stay on. Now you can see how other friends are answering. Stay on and then go. But if you feel like having some other work, you can go. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will give you somewhere around 8.5 to 9 marks for your performance, because I could have given more. The thing is, there is no how can I say, identifying with this thing, that your eyes must speak. Your eyes must speak that your desire in joining the bank, and you must smile at them and express their desire. Then the interview, you'll be going with all this dadi, or you'll be doing shaving?
I'll go with full shave, sir.
Very good. That's
full
right.
shave.
That's right. Then full arm shirt.
Yeah, full arm shirt.
Wear well polished shoes.
Yeah.
Comb your hair. Your hair is very good only. No problem. And yeah, nice. You look nice only. You look like a cinema actor. Cinema actor, hero. Acha, here kya, is it mole you have, or you have put something? No.
Pimple, sir.
No. Pimple, no. Here there was some issue in this. There's some dot was there, but that's not yours. Very good. You did well, but you can do still better. Why did you join so late? I suggest you go through the previous videos. I would have guided how to prepare. Number 1, Bankers Adda interview book, 10 pages.
Yes,
then Infinite Small, then Guidely, then what C Funda. What is that? this is there. Funda.
Grade up.
No,
Grade
grade up is there. Funda something is there. All these are banking only. Any 2 or 3 you read and make yourself comfortable. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I go through the banking awareness again? So more.
No, you have to read more because
Okay.
that that forcefulness is not there.
Oh.
Desire to answer is not seen.
Oh, okay, sir.
Very good. We will go to Chaitanya. You also watch how is he going to answer.
Okay,
Chaitanya, good evening or good morning for you. You are from which place?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are from which place?
I am from Nidaadavole, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Nidaadavole. Where is it?
Godavari district.
Godavari district. Oh, very good, very good.
Sir, at 6:30, I was given the slot, sir.
Yeah, but then this boy came around 5:55 here and he was there. But no problem. You go and take rest at home. Come at 6:50 or so. No problem. And most important, Prajwalita, most important thing, patience.
Yeah, sir, but I want to go to office, sir. That's why.
At what time is your office? You have to go?
No, sir, I have to get ready and go. And at 8 o'clock, I have to.
1 minute. Then Chaitanya, can you wait for a few minutes? I will talk to her and then take yours. Okay? Good.
Okay, sir.
Prajwalita, very good. But then here it is okay,
Yes,
Prajwalita, in a real interview, what time you have been called for interview?
3:30 p.m., sir.
Mostly it will be taking place around 5:36.
Yes,
So that much will be you must have patience. Now today you want to go to office, welcome. Please tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to have an interview with you. I am Prajwalita P. Metagood. I am from Bengaluru, the capital city of Karnataka. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication at East West Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. I have 2.8 years of experience as application support engineer at Tech Mahindra Limited. And my field of interests are like in my free time, I would like to read books, cooking, and play. Sometimes I play even badminton also, sir.
You are
this is about myself.
Yeah, you're been working in Tech Mahindra for the last 2.5 years. What is the package like 3.5 or 4? Hello? Prajwalita? I think Prajwalita's connection has gone, I think so. In a city like...
Sorry, sir.
What happened?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know Wi-Fi problems. Wi-Fi problems.
You have Wi-Fi in your home?
Yes, sir.
Acha, theek hai, no problem. So my next question was like this. Why are you coming out of Tech Mahindra? Is it not that you are getting similar salary in Tech Mahindra?
Sir, even in like in IT companies, there is a good opportunities too. But in IT companies, that is like a limited field of learning technology, sir. Either we have to concentrate only on one technology. But in banking field, we have like many other slots to learn, like customer relationship management, not only that, like banking awareness also, economic awareness also, and even we are learning more about our economy, how our system works, financial awareness, everything is included in bank. It's like a whole in one package, sir. That's why I'm much interested in joining banking sector.
Okay, but then don't tell there are opportunities in IT, then they will say, why should you come here? Please go there. Understand? So
yes, sir.
Without telling that, you tell the other aspects regarding banking and all. Why do you want to come? You can also state that in IT companies, there is lack of job security. You can't say there is no job security. There is a lack of job security like that, you can say. Now, please tell me, what is the nature of work you are doing?
Sir, I am doing application as a working as application support engineer, sir. Here we are supporting two application support for UK based project, sir. It's a fashion e-commerce based project, sir. One is I'm working on Oracle Fusion, and one is I have working on Manhattan, sir. And like last week only, it was my last working day. I have left my company, sir.
That you should have told me. But now you said you have to go to office.
Yes, sir. Sir, like last procedures are there, sir. Laptop submission, ID card submission are there.
Oh, for that you have to go. No problem.
Yeah.
So, why did you leave the job in a hasty manner? Why? What made
No,
you
sir.
come out of it? Yeah.
Sir, I had interest in banking field from my college days itself. I have seen my senior friends and my brother also joined banking field. But as soon as I completed my graduation, I wanted to join banking, but I had one commitment, sir, that is my education loan.
Mm.
So I wanted to first complete that loan, sir. That's why I have to take up immediate job to complete my all the completion of education loans. As
So
soon
did
as I
you?
completed my yes,
So
sir.
you have completed education loan so quickly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Within like 1.5 years, I have completed my education loan. So
Congrats.
after that, thank you, sir.
What is your father?
He's a teacher, sir.
What is your mother?
She's a homemaker, sir, and I have one brother. He is also working as a network engineer in fiber net company, sir.
Very good. Now my question is, you have cleared the education loan. I am very happy
Hello.
about that. Yeah, you have cleared the education loan, correct?
Hello.
Yeah, Prajvalita, you have cleared the education loan. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You have cleared the education loan. Supposing education loan
Hello,
is
sir. Yeah, sir.
education loan is not cleared, and what will be the impact for the individual? Hello. Hello. I think her internet is not good. Prajvalita, she has gone out. Oh, I think she got cut. Prajvalita.
Sorry, sir. Network disturbance. Sorry so much, sir.
Which network are you using at home?
Sir, ACT, sir.
ACT, you come to your mobile banking internet only. That will be good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I switched to it mobile data, sir.
Very good. That is good. Now, what is the impact of not paying loans?
Sir, mainly it will main effect on our credit score, sir.
What is that score called?
Credit score, sir.
What credit score? What is it called?
Sir,
CIBIL.
sir,
It is called as CIBIL.
CIBIL score.
You have to tell that CIBIL score will be affected. So if CIBIL score is affected, what is the impact of that?
Sir, mainly we will not left with any opportunities to further go on loan for any other purpose with any other banks. We will not get loans, sir, and even banks may give like a legal notice, and they will proceed with the legal proceedings.
Not only that, in case of State Bank of India and all, they will not take you as a clerk also.
Yes, sir.
Now, next question that can be asked for you is that why are you not trying for specialist officer job similar to Karthik? You can go as a specialist officer. Did you ever try that?
Yes. No, sir. Like from this year, I'm working on my banking sector, and I want to completely focus on one field, that is as a office assistant, sir.
So very good.
That's
now which bank do you have an account?
I have salary account at HDFC Bank, sir.
There is no minimum balance prescribed therein?
No, sir, because it's a salary account. It's a zero balance account, sir.
Very good. Apart from that, do you have account with any other bank?
Yes, sir. Like my education loan account, it was in Union Bank of India, sir.
Oh, Union Bank of India headquarters, where is it?
It's in Mumbai, sir.
Who is the chairman of Union Bank? I know you may not know that. It may not be known to
Yes.
you. Even I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Good.
Yes.
But get to know that. Recently, Union Bank absorbed 2 other banks. What are those 2 banks?
Sorry, sir. Like one is a corporation of corporation bank, sir.
Okay. Another one?
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
Andhra Bank.
Andhra Bank. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir.
Another one is Andhra Bank. You said your father is a teacher.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is teacher in a school or college?
School, sir. He's a Hindi and English teacher. Sir. Hindi
Oh.
and Kannada teacher, sir.
Oh, both Hindi and
Yes,
Kannada.
sir.
How come he has studied both Hindi and Kannada?
Sir,
Degree.
like before a degree, sir, before like 20-30 years before, there was a like Karnataka Ratna Parishad and Mysore Ratna Parishad to have degrees, sir. They used to write separate exam. It is a like equivalent to degree exams.
Excellent.
Like
so he has
yes,
studied that. So very good. You are
yes, sir.
your daughter of a Kannada teacher,
Teacher,
Hindi teacher. You know to communicate in Hindi. आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं?
हाँ सर, बात कर सकती हूँ थोड़ी थोड़ी सर, लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ सर.
क्यों क्यों कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है? लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटी ज्यादा नहीं है. या क्या बोलिए?
या सर
बोलिए बोलिए.
हम डेली बेसिस में कन्नड़ा और इंग्लिश में बात करती हूँ ना सर, इसलिए हिंदी यूसेज बहुत कम है सर. मैं सिनेमा देखकर इतना बात करती हूँ. दैट्स इट सर.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Good. You talk nicely. Now, tell me, Mr. Karthik was explaining about the job role of a clerk in English.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I want you to tell me in Kannada language because you are Kannada teacher's daughter.
Kannada, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, bank clerk ಅವರು mainly they have mainly ಅವರು like ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸರ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಅವರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೆ ವ್ಯವಹರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಅವ್ರು ಏಂತಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ನಂಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ನ ಬೆಳ್ಸಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್, ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಅಂಡ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಸರ್.
Good, very good, very good. So I don't know whether you told about insurance policy canvassing, then mutual fund products canvassing. Adi chappali, that also you must add. No problem. Acha,
Okay, sir.
what about you? You also don't like canvassing like Karthik?
No, sir. I know that primary job of my clerk designation is only canvassing, sir, mainly. That is, we are directly dealing with customers, so we have to canvass it. If we don't canvass, then who will canvass for our bank, sir?
Very good. Excellent. Now, Karnataka Bank Limited. How many branches are
Yes,
there?
sir. Sir, like 3 to 4 months back, one more branch was added. So totally now 879 branches are there, sir.
One minute. I'm just telling my number to some candidate who is asking. My phone number is 8072177482. WhatsApp. That is for others to know. I'm just telling you. Good. Now, can you please tell me, you had account in your HDFC. What are the documents you
Yes.
gave for opening an account?
Sir, I gave Aadhaar card and PAN card, sir.
Very good. Can you tell me what is PAN card expansion?
Personal account number, sir. It is mainly
Tell me.
correct, na, sir? Correct.
No, wrong. Wrong.
Personal
Permanent
PAN
account
number.
Permanent.
Permanent account. Sorry, permanent account number. Sorry, sir.
How many digits
Permanent.
are there? How many digits are there?
WAP1, AP2. There are 10 digits, sir, which is alphanumeric code.
Good. You counted immediately your PAN number. You are remembering it.
Yes, sir. Here we will use most often, sir, for salary account opening and all. That's why.
Good. Do you remember?
Sir.
Do you remember
Yes, sir.
your college serial number, region registration number?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
What was that number?
Even it is a 15-digit alphanumeric code, sir. One EW.
15 digits.
Sorry, 10. Not 15, sir. 10 digits. Sorry.
Not
10
required.
digit.
10 digit and all I cannot remember. I don't want. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir.
Good. So how do you develop your memory? How do you improve your memory?
Sir, I write, sir. Basically, for anything, I use book and pen, sir. That is my basic level of foundation, sir.
That means,
yes.
Have you noted what did you eat yesterday?
Not like that, sir. For anything, sir. If any situation important, sir. For any situation, anything. If I require, I write down, sir. That's it. I use more book and pen, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me difference between a demand draft and a check?
Yes, sir. Sir, demand draft is a negotiable instrument, sir, which is used to transfer amount from one person bank account to another person bank account. If a negotiable instrument means whatever the amount it has mentioned in DD, it can't be changed. That is a guaranteed instrument. If a person wants to send money from his account to another account, he can go for DD, and as soon as the DD is issued to a customer, the amount, whatever the prescribed amount, will be debited, and DD can be issued via bank account only, sir. Like it has to be transferred.
No. You can remit cash and take also, as long as it is less than 50,000.
3 months. Okay, sir.
Less than 50,000, they will take in cash.
And DD has to be given to a person which is mentioned on its name, sir, on its instrument.
But you have not studied fully. Did you go through the materials?
Yes, sir.
But some more points have to be told very in an effective way. For example, a check is issued in the account of the customer, maybe current account or savings account. A demand draft is issued by a branch of the bank on another branch of the bank on the monies being paid by a customer. That point you told correctly.
Yes, sir.
DD is always issued for order. A check is issued for order or bearer.
Yes, sir.
A check is signed by the customer. DD is signed by the officer of the bank. A check may be returned unpaid for want of funds. A DD will not be returned for want of funds. Something like that. But
Yes,
you were nearing the point, but you were taking such a long time, dragging the answers. So that's where it is
yes,
slightly
sir.
different. You should tell it effectively, briefly. Supposing
Okay,
they
sir.
supposing they ask you, would you like to join our branch at where are you staying? Residence? Bengaluru.
Um, Bengaluru, sir.
What is the northern side end of Karnataka? Near Goa?
Near Bidar, sir.
Bidar. Supposing they
Uh,
ask you, will you join Bidar branch? What is the answer
eh,
you will give?
Yes, sir. Like my idea for success is we have to come out of our comfort zone and then try to explore, sir. If I get opportunity to do in Bidar also, I'm ready to do, sir. For
Very,
there.
very good. How will you go? You are not a person who is used to staying separately. Then how will you
No, sir.
manage in a new place?
No, sir. It's not not a big deal for me, sir. I can manage on myself.
So
And I'm from North Karnataka only, sir. North Karnataka side.
Acha,
I
acha,
am born in.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, sir, cooking new dishes, and I play badminton with my brother and father, sir.
Good. Can you tell me, have you heard of the name NPA? What is NPA?
A non-performing asset, sir.
What is that?
Sir. Sir, if a loan becomes non-repayable for even if it is interest or the loan amount is not payable for more than 90 days, it becomes non-performing assets.
What are the three classifications of non-performing account?
Sir, four are there, sir. Standard
Ah,
NPA.
totally, including standard 4. Correct. Tell me, standard, standard.
Substandard NPA
No, no,
and
no.
doubtful
Listen.
standard NPA.
No, standard NPA. Standard means it is not NPA.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Standard means
Okay,
everything
sir.
is okay. So only when it becomes
Okay.
NPA, it becomes substandard. Then what are the other things?
Substandard and doubtful NPA and loss NPA, sir.
No, you don't have to say doubtful NPA. Doubtful assets.
Doubtful assets
loss assets.
and
loss
loss
assets.
assets.
Very good. You told nicely. Can you please tell a few points about your bank, Karnataka Bank?
Yes, sir. Karnataka Bank was established on the February 18, 1924.
No
and it
history.
commenced business.
No history. I want only current position.
Yes, sir. Current, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, currently the CEO and MD of Karnataka Bank is M. Mahabaleshwar. And the Karnataka Bank has 879 branches with 8,200 plus employees, and even it has 10.2 million customers. They are operating in across 22 states and 2 union territories, and the tagline of Karnataka Bank is "Your Family Bank Across India." And Q1 report of Karnataka Bank suggests very good feedback about the bank, and the net profit was. Net profit was around 114 crores, which is more than the previous year report. And its NPA has decreased to 4.03%, which is a good sign for a bank. And the overall profit till June 2022 was 407 crores. And the last year profit was 507.99 crores, sir.
Good. What is the?
And it is.
What is the main you studied in engineering?
Electronics and communication, sir.
What is the difference between a router and a switch?
router and switch. Sorry, sir, I have forgotten the concepts. It's almost 3 years plus.
Here, in the Banker's Adda book I have given you, in the
Yes,
link,
sir.
there is a 10
Yes, sir. Yes,
pages,
sir.
10 pages material. In that, questions are given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The first question itself is difference between a router and switch. Then
Yes,
tell
sir.
me
Yes,
what
sir.
is optical fiber. Okay. Tell me what do you understand by CBS?
CBS.
Excuse me, you are
No.
very weak in this area. Please go and start preparing on your subject, at least for the questions given in that
Yes, sir.
material. Otherwise, go to google.com, search ECE related interview questions. Also search in wisdomjobs.com. First search in Google. Second search in
Yes, sir.
wisdomjobs.com. Prepare for those questions and prepare yourself well. Otherwise, you are answering other questions nicely, but suddenly I find you seem to be having a very low drop gap here. So lot of questions will come on this, especially because you ECE, they will ask, say, what is core banking solution? What is topography? What are the various types of network adopted here? So like technical questions will come even though you are going for a clerk job. At least 3 questions will come from that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So prepare for that and go with confidence. Which date is your interview?
6th September, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. I think probably
Thank
by
you, sir.
5th end, we will know whether they are asking questions relating to subject or not. But even otherwise, I feel because you are ECE student, but any engineering students, they will get some questions relating to their field. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best
sir, yes,
wishes,
sir.
prepare. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please give feedback, sir?
Feedback?
Like,
No. See, I was seeing you were answering very well and all. But suddenly when it came to this problem, like relation of computers and banking and other things, I think there is a big gap between your knowledge and what is needed. Please prepare. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
otherwise no problem. You prepare on that area also, prepare on current affairs. You have my sbank.in current affairs snippets. You even yesterday I posted, today only I have to post, I'll post after half an hour. So that and all you watch and go with confidence about current affairs also. They can ask silly questions like Russia, Ukraine, Sri Lanka, then Britain, Bangladesh, China, Taiwan, anything can be asked. Be ready for that. Best wishes. God bless you. After attending the interview, if you have done the interview very well, then come on that day 8:45 class to us.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That day night 8:45. If you are happy, you come and share your experience to others.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Best
sir.
wishes.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Yeah, Chaitanya, where are you? Chaitanya, yeah. Chaitanya, good. Your role comes, you came as first, but now in third. That is, it's okay, doesn't matter. How many brothers and sisters are there for you?
I have a brother and no sister, sir.
Achha. What is he doing, your brother?
He is working as paid assistant in PHPAY company, Bengaluru.
Achha.
Institute of Chartered Accountants.
After doing chartered accountant or before chartered accountant?
Before chartered accountants.
Achha. Good. What is the degree you have studied?
It's a BCom computer, sir.
Achha. BCom computer science. Oh. Achha.
Computer applications.
Computer applications. Achha. What is the difference between computer applications and computer science?
We don't go with software, sir. We only read with basic things like Photoshop and MS Office, sir. We don't go with software.
You don't study about software and all. Good. It's okay. You studied BCom.
BCom, sir, commerce.
Which year did you complete?
2021, sir.
Good. How many marks did you score in BCom?
It's a 7.84, sir.
Good.
GPA.
Very good. Very good. Very good. That seems to be nice. Now, what is your father?
Is a self-employed, sir. We have one shop relating that sells articles for puja like agarbatti, camphor, turmeric powder.
Acha, acha. So he is doing puja sales. So
Puja sales.
So he must have had very good sales yesterday, day before yesterday, and all because of Vinayaka Chaturthi.
Absolutely, sir. Correct.
Ganesh Chaturthi. Yeah. Good. Do you help your daddy at times by sitting in the shop?
Yes, sir. I help my father in free time, sir. By sitting shop, procurement of materials, raw material, goods.
So
and,
you procuring raw materials also, materials for sales also. You help him. Very good. Yeah. So from where is he buying the materials?
From Vijayawada, sir.
You are
and
staying.
Also Chennai.
Achha, you are staying in which place?
Nidaadavole, sir. That is West Godavari.
Chittoor. West Godavari. Achha.
West Godavari.
I think Nidaadavole will come in Chennai, Calcutta route, no?
Okay, sir.
It will come in Nidaadavole. Will come in that. Very good. Excellent. So, what are the rivers going in your place? Godavari.
One of the main rivers is Godavari, sir. And Krishna River, sir. And Penna River, sir. In two districts, we Krishna and Godavari, sir. Krishna also from Krishna district, we have only one river, sir. That is Godavari.
Very good. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Union Bank of India, sir.
Very good. Union Bank of India. I think you would have had account in Andhra Bank earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Correct. You can talk in Telugu if you want. Nothing wrong. Because Telugu is also
I want to talk in English, sir.
So you want to talk in English? No problem. Absolutely.
To test my communication skills.
Very good. Can you please tell me some points about KYC?
KYC is requirements for opening an account, sir. It requires proof of identity. These 6 forms are Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, driving license, not LR, sir.
Not LR.
And passport.
Correct. Not LR. Correct.
And passport. MNGRES, sir.
That card. Very good. Okay. What will you do with all these cards? What will you do? How will you proceed?
Aadhaar card is my proof of identity, sir. Next, with PAN card, it is a card given by Income Tax Authority to supervise my accounting operations, like how many withdrawals are in a financial year, transactions. Water card is my registered water application, sir.
No. Actually, my question was, what will you do with that? Means you will tell us that you will take a copy of that after verifying with the original. And then if it is Aadhaar, I think nowadays banks can verify by feeding that data in computer itself. They can verify from the central registry. That verification can be done. And then we will take 2 photographs of the customer also. Then open the account by asking him to remit the minimum balance that is needed. Now,
okay, sir. Related to KYC you are asking?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now tell me, why banks are asking for a minimum balance in current account, savings account, and all that?
In current account, sir, they will require minimum balance to maintain minimum charges.
Mm.
And some of the expenses they have to be maintained, sir.
Mm.
That's also.
Okay. Now, no, you say in order to maintain the minimum balance is prescribed, as you rightly said, because there are overhead expenses in maintaining an office, in making payment of salary to people and all that. In order to cover these costs, and also, mainly for this, in order to cover that, we insist on minimum balance, say 5,000 or 2,000, depending on the place where the branch is situated. If it is metropolitan, more balance. If it is rural area, less balance. Now, please tell me, what do you understand by financial inclusion? What are the steps government is taking for that?
Okay, sir. Financial inclusion is giving money those who are needy sections of society, and some of the schemes were Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, that is a life insurance scheme. That is a life insurance scheme. And another one is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Bima Yojana. That is also life insurance scheme. And another one is Atal Pension Yojana.
No, but before all that, you should tell one important scheme.
Financial inclusion.
The main one is that has made financial inclusion achievable, starting Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That is the basic thing. First one is that one. And that was started 8 years ago on 28th August.
2014.
And it has achieved so much of results. I have given that in 28th August snippets I have posted in sbank.in. Please go through that. Find out what is the number of accounts opened already, and nearly 1.73 trillion rupees are there in that account. So many. So please go through that. And of course, whatever you said is correct. Financial inclusion is achieved through Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana by allowing people to open no frills balance account, no balance account. That was the starting point. Everybody was asked to open account. They're told there is no need for you to maintain minimum balance. So that was one. Number two, by opening more regional rural bank branches and also appointment of bank correspondents. They go to the house of the customer for opening of the account. Then small finance banks are opened, payment banks are opened, and then the other points you told, Atal Pension Yojana, PMJJBY, PMSBY, etc. Can you tell me what is the premium in Suraksha Bima Yojana?
It's 12 rupees, sir.
Now 20 rupees. Now 20 rupees. Maybe in the book it is 12, but it has been revised now as 20 rupees. Similarly, PMJJBY also commission has been revised. Now it is 436.
Okay, sir.
Earlier it was 330 or so. Now it is. Now let us check up. 1 minute. I think 436 only.
Okay, sir.
Why is train sound is coming? Station is nearby.
Tracks is nearby, sir.
Yeah. Your track is nearby. 436 rupees only. 436 rupees. Okay. Very good. Now, please tell me what are the different types of loan accounts bank gives?
The first one is, sir, a personal loan account.
Good.
Agriculture loan, sir. Education loan, sir. Housing loan, sir. And coming to advances, they will give cash credit known as CC, sir. And overdraft facility, sir.
And also loans, term loans.
Term loans.
Very good. Okay, you can tell some more points also, like loan against deposit, loan against gold, jewels, mortgage, then infrastructure, then MSME loans, then self-help group loans, and all these things. Okay. In your village, are there self-help groups available? What is self-help group? What is self-help group?
Self-help group means an association of 15 to 20 members promoting their savings, adjustment of their savings into another loans in members' loan accounts for a adjusted period. So.
Very good. How do you imagine yourself 5 years from now? Supposing you are recruited as clerk.
Okay, sir. I want to achieve greater heights in my working sphere through earning a name among my colleagues, sir. I want to talk about me positively in my absence also.
Very good. In fact, you are such a good boy. You know, you are very patient. Though you came first, you waited. You waited for your turn and took. It's a good quality. You are having patience. So you will be giving good service to customers.
Okay.
Good. Now, what are the extra benefits given to senior citizens?
For a fixed deposit, they will be given extra 0.5% in interest, sir. For walk-in customers, they have provided wheelchairs, sir. For a verification process, they don't need to come at counter, sir. The clerks go and verify the requirements, sir.
And then doorstep banking service. Above 70 years, they are giving doorstep banking. You please study about that.
Yes.
Very good. Have you heard of this new scheme which we have not discussed so far? Positive pay system. Have you heard about this?
Positive pay system.
You have not heard. Positive pay system, for example, where the check is issued over some 5 lakhs, depending on banks, it differs. The customer has to inform the bank through positive, that is through email or mobile banking or through letter, the details of the check issued by him, namely check number, favoring, amount, and all the details, so that the bank will verify that there are no alterations in that check. Okay.
I think first initiative by Punjab National Bank, sir.
Yeah, all banks it has been introduced. Now it has been introduced in all banks, but the limit is different in different banks.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me 5 North Indian states.
Delhi, sir.
Delhi is not a state. Delhi is a union territory.
Union territory. Sorry, sir. Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand,
Mm.
Punjab,
Mm.
Assam,
Mm.
Assam Northeastern, sir.
Mm.
Assam, Madhya Pradesh.
Mm. Good. Can you name 3 southern states and their chief ministers?
Okay, sir. Tamil Nadu, sir. Mr. M.K. Stalin, sir.
Mm.
Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, sir,
Mm.
CM. And Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai, sir. Mr. Basavaraj Bommai.
Very good. So good. Now, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India, or you are preferring some 3 states?
No, sir. I prefer anywhere in India because I have to learn languages. I very much interested in learning languages and cultures.
Very good.
Uh,
Excellent. Very nice. Anything else you would like to ask me? Any doubts? You are answering well. No problem. When did you join our group?
Day before yesterday, sir.
Oh, very bad. Why so much delay?
Even though I joining late, my preparation was started to test my interview skills. I'm able to purchase it, sir.
Oh, very good. Nice. Thank you. Best wishes. God bless you.
Sir, feedback.
Feedback, okay. 9 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
9 out of 10, but slightly more confidence can be there. Some smiling can be there. Otherwise, you are doing very well. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Best
Thank you.
wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
Bye.
sir.
I'm stopping
Bye.
this. Bye.
Bye.